Welcome to this spectacular Pete's Mountain retreat, where privacy, peace, and tranquility can be all yours. It's graciously situated among equestrian estates and just 1 mile from the Oregon Golf Club and Pete's Mountain Winery, yet it's just minutes to city conveniences. Heading inside, you'll discover wide plank oak floors and beautiful built-ins. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the inviting living room. It opens to an expansive wraparound TimberTech deck where you can recharge in the hot tub, connect with nature, entertain, and enjoy beautiful vistas in a tranquil setting. The open floor plan includes a breakfast nook for casual dining and a beautifully updated kitchen. It features quartz countertops, cherry shaker-style cabinetry, stainless appliances, and vaulted ceilings. The dining room's bay window with plantation shutters provides abundant natural light. On the upper level, escape to the private master suite with vaulted ceilings. The updated bath is well appointed with quartz finishes and travertine tile. Plus, you'll find a second bedroom. On the lower level, a spacious family room has built-in speakers for the sound system and a slider to the expansive patio. A bonus room is perfect for any number of uses. And you'll find a full bath. A third bedroom, studio apartment, or possible Air BnB is located upstairs above the garage. You'll find a fully finished garage. The covered patio is ready for all-season entertaining and extends to the expansive lawn and garden area. The gorgeous yard even includes a fenced dog run. Other features include a security system and lots of storage. A fantastic opportunity on Pete's Mountain. It's all here waiting for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Lois Miesbach with Premier Property Group at 503-453-3092.